What happened? Huh? My cat loves to take some sunshine after the rain. Well, it's been raining for the last 4 hours, and now the bright sunshine is out there, and all the birds are singing around. I just love the scenes. For the whole day, I keep to listen to different voices of birds, cats, squirrels, and I love them. Now you want to sleep? Now you tired? Okay, let's get some sleep. Hmm. Come on, good girl. Okay, come on, shake hand. Okay, good. Now get some sleep. We'll play in the evening. Okay? What? Not sleeping? Hmm. Hmm. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Come on. What? Hmm. Good girl. Hmm.